What's up, travelers? Get ready because we're heading to a destination that feels straight out of a fantasy where fire meets ice, where the land is shaped by volcanoes and glaciers, and where the night sky comes alive in ways you've never seen before. Just imagine standing in the middle of a vast, frozen landscape when suddenly, the sky erupts in waves of green, violet, and blue, dancing right above you. Sounds unreal, right? Well, we're about to uncover this magical place and chase one of the world's most breathtaking natural wonders. Stick around. This is going to be epic. Let's dive straight into this icy adventure, shall we? We've got 7 days to turn those aurora dreams into reality, and trust me, it's going to be nothing short of magical. We kick things off in Reykjavik, Iceland's vibrant capital, where colorful streets meet cutting-edge design. But let's be real, you're not here just for the city sights. Though we'll check out the stunning Hallgrímskirkja church and the sleek Harpa concert hall. The real excitement, the hunt for the northern lights begins tonight. As soon as the sun sets, we're heading far from the city lights on a guided tour, because the darker, the better. So charge your cameras, bundle up and get ready, because if the skies play along, tonight's going to be unreal. Day 2. Welcome to Iceland's greatest hits. Today, we're diving into the Golden Circle, Iceland's most legendary sightseeing route, packed with natural geysers and waterfalls. First up, we will visit Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO site where two continents literally drift apart. Yup, you can stand between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. Just don't try to push them back together. Science doesn't work that way. Next, it's time for Strókur, Iceland's most famous geyser. Every few minutes, it shoots boiling water up to 30 meters, 98 feet, into the air. So keep your cameras ready and maybe step back a little, unless you want a surprise steam bath. Then we hit Gullfoss, the Golden Waterfall. This thundering two-tiered cascade plunges into a deep canyon, and on sunny days, you might even spot a rainbow over the mist. Postcard moment? Absolutely. And after all that adventure, what better way to unwind than at the Secret Lagoon, Iceland's oldest natural hot spring, where steam rises from warm, mineral-rich waters, the perfect place to soak, relax, and recharge. But the day's not over yet. As darkness falls, we're back on Aurora Watch, hoping for another Northern Lights show. Keep your fingers crossed and be ready tomorrow, because the adventure will get even wilder. All right, travelers. Day 3 is all about jaw-dropping landscapes and a little adventure on ice, literally. We're heading down Iceland's south coast, where waterfalls, glaciers, and black sand beaches will have you snapping photos every 5 seconds. First stop, Seljalandsfoss, a waterfall so epic you can actually walk behind it. From here, we hop back in our trusty ride, a comfy tour bus or self-drive car, and cruise along Route 1, Iceland's famous ring road. After this drive, you'll be stunned by the coastal views, the towering cliffs, and maybe even a few Icelandic horses. Next, we hit Reynisfjara Beach, where the sand is pitch black, the waves are wild, and the towering basalt columns look straight out of a movie. It's beautiful, dramatic, and a little moody, just like Iceland itself. Then comes the big adventure, a glacier hike on Sólheimajökull. We'll trek across a frozen wonderland, weaving through deep crevasses and glowing blue ice formations. It's the kind of thing you'll tell stories about for years. After our icy trek, we'll hop back on the road for a scenic drive to our cozy guest house for the night. Along the way, we might even make a quick stop at a local cafe for some hot chocolate. Because after a day like this, we've earned it. Dinner's all about hearty Icelandic flavors. Maybe a steaming bowl of lamb stew, fresh rye bread, or creamy skyr yogurt. And if you're feeling brave, maybe even a taste of fermented shark. No pressure, but if you do, let us know how it goes. Another day, another adventure. Today, we're heading even deeper into Iceland's south coast, where glaciers, ice caves, and floating icebergs will make you feel like you've stepped onto another planet. First up, hop into a super jeep, because regular cars won't cut it here, and bounce across the glacier terrain to reach a natural ice cave. If the season's right, we'll step inside a shimmering world of glowing blue ice, frozen tunnels, and crystal-clear formations sculpted by nature itself. It's like walking through a frozen fairy tale. After that mind-blowing experience, we're back on Route 1, cruising toward one of Iceland's most breathtaking spots, Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. As we approach, you'll see massive icebergs breaking off from the glacier and floating peacefully toward the sea. If you're lucky, you might even spot a few lazy seals chilling on the ice. Just across the road, we reach Diamond Beach, where those same icebergs wash ashore, sparkling like giant crystals against the jet black sand. It's just surreal. After soaking in these frozen wonders, we'll head to our cozy stay for the night, warming up with some hot Icelandic fish stew or a slice of local rye bread with butter. And of course, before you call it a night, step outside once more, hoping to see the northern lights dancing over the glacier lagoon. The adventure isn't over yet. Start day 5 by making your way back west, but not without uncovering some of Iceland's best-kept secrets along the south coast. First stop, endless lava fields where ancient volcanic eruptions shape the land into wonderland. It feels like stepping onto another planet. Soft green carpets, stretching as far as the eye can see. And here's a fun fact. Walking on this moss is a big no-no, so admire from a distance. As we continue, we'll take a scenic detour to explore some hidden gems, maybe a secret canyon, a tucked-away waterfall, or even a steamy geothermal hotspot bubbling beneath the surface. Iceland always has surprises up its sleeve. Next, we arrive in Viki Mýrdal, a coastal village framed by towering cliffs and black sand beaches. Take some time to wander through the colorful houses. Visit the hilltop church with its stunning ocean views. With the open road ahead, continue west, watching the ever-changing landscapes roll by, crashing waves, volcanic peaks, and dramatic skies. Iceland's beauty is in the journey itself. By evening, settle into your overnight stay, always keeping one eye on the sky, because if the northern lights decide to show up again tonight, you bet we will be ready. Today, you're in for a treat. The Snæfellsnes Peninsula is like a mini version of Iceland. From mountains, beaches, to dramatic cliffs and villages, all in one incredible day. Your first stop? Kirkgate and Kyrkjufellsfoss, Iceland's most photographed mountain. Yes, the one from Game of Thrones. With its picture-perfect peak and a stunning waterfall beside it, you won't be able to put your camera down. Next, you'll explore the coastal villages of Árnarstapi and Helnir. Take a walk along the scenic trail, breathe in the salty sea air, and enjoy the peaceful charm of these fishing villages. Then, it's off to Djúpalónsandur, a black pebble beach that feels straight out of a Viking saga. Scattered with smooth volcanic stones and shipwreck remains, it's a hauntingly beautiful place with a fascinating history. After a day of exploring, you'll head back to Reykjavik for your final night. But if the aurora forecast looks promising, the adventure isn't over yet. Your final day in Iceland is here, but there's still time for a little more exploring. Before heading to the airport, take a relaxing dip in the Blue Lagoon or one of Reykjavik's local geothermal pools. Because what better way to say goodbye than soaking in warm, mineral-rich waters? If you have extra time, wander through Reykjavik's colorful streets, grab a last-minute souvenir, or enjoy one final Icelandic treat. Maybe a hot dog from the famous Bajarins Bestu Pilsur, or a warm cinnamon bun from a local cafe. Then it's off to the airport, taking one last look at Iceland's stunning landscapes from above. 7 days, countless memories, and an adventure you'll never forget. Until next time, Iceland. If you enjoyed this guide, then hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe TBO Academy for more travel inspo.